This entire home is designed around the backyard space. And so I'm gonna put my sunglasses on and take you back there. So the main home is designed in an L shape, and then it opens up to a backyard space with a pool house in the background. The pool is kind of the central focus. The water is so beautiful. There's black sections on the main home. You can see that in a couple of areas. We have this dark steel window with the black siding, and it ties in with the dark siding on the pool house. I love that it is a stark contrast, but still feels really connected to the main home. And we have created little areas for lounging, gathering, and hanging out. There is this courtyard that sits between the wine room and the formal living room, and it has these really cute cafe lights and a fire pit. This view is one of my favorite views in the backyard. So you got the amazing olive trees that Mollywood Garden brought in. We have these really cool board form concrete planter boxes. Then we have accents of this warm wood that ties in with the ceilings and the wood floors in the home. The dining seating is cool because we have like this mix of different woven pendants above. You can see the really beautiful chandelier from the primary suite staircase. That hallway that we all love with the gallery wall is through here, and then the olive tree really just kind of sets everything off in a really beautiful way. There is a pizza oven and barbecue and built-in seating out of the plaster here. And then this bar has this really cool garage window. And then these doors right here slide open, and this is the hangout zone for the pool house. This home is all about entertaining and blending indoor and outdoor spaces. I'm standing in the pool house, and this is a bit beachier than the main house. We wanted to tie in the feeling with the steel doors, but bring some lightness. We did shiplap on the walls and ceiling, and then these cool steel cable ties that reach across the ceiling. Because we really wanted the spaces to feel connected to the exterior and pool area. Also, we wanted them to be durable. We carried the pavers from the pool deck into the pool house. Follow me over to this side of the pool house and I'll show you the cool kitchenette area and bar. So there's a long countertop here, and we did a colored backsplash. We did a blue square tile that goes all the way up to the ceiling and little sconces. It was a nice way to add some warmth because we had the limestone pavers on the floor, very gray, and so we could add like these wood cabinets, and we did a floating island in the middle here, and we did these little cross ties here. I love the wood on wood effect because it feels more like furniture. Louvered doors, like what we did in the laundry room, it ties that style to another part of the home. The light fixtures are really pretty. They have this seated glass, which I feel like has a really coastal feel. And I think the best part, well, there's two more parts that are pretty cool. So behind me, this little Dutch door goes out to the barbecue area and a pizza oven. And then the best part, are you ready for it?